Very difficult to get far enough away, really, to really give the right impression. Anyway, they're taking my bed away. So I've got 3 chairs to loll about on, and best of all, this is the best of all, my first cup of tea of the day, courtesy of Russian Railways, steaming away. Oh, fantastic. Anyway, I'm going to sit down, finish off my Adrian Mole book. Time to go! Endless enchanting forests of silver birch and beech. It's we'll try. It's about 10 to 4 in the afternoon, and I'm just sitting watching the world go by. Just finished my book. I'm going to start with the last one. About another 8 hours till we get to Moscow. This is just a little bit of scenery. It's still more the same: snow on the ground, silver birch. Focusing on the window, isn't it? Let's see if we can get to focus. Infinity. Infinity, here we go. There we go, that's infinity. Better now. You don't want to look at the window, you want to look outside. Station, I'm not sure which one though. I don't know where we are. People go by. Interesting old locomotive there. Never really sure what I was supposed to be filming. Well, I've just been kindly informed that this is Orsha, which is the last stop in Belarus. And the next stop is Smolensk, I think, and that'll actually be in Russia proper. And the chap who told me is there's two people looking after us on this coach. There's the guy who does all the kind of sorting the beds out and all the kind of tool, sort of electricity and things like that, all the kind of odd jobs. Although he does wear a uniform that looks rather reminiscent of a policeman, which is very worrying. He was just explaining the timetable to me and telling me where I was and what's happening. It's actually, on my watch it says 4:30, but in fact it's 3:30 here because it's still Belarusia. When we get to the next stop it'll be an hour further on, so my clock will be right, so I'm on Moscow time. What was I saying? Yeah, the other lady that's looking after us is the one that brings me all the tea. So there's a lady and a guy looking after us just in this one coach, so each coach seems to have two people looking after everybody. Anyway.